How we doing, guys? It's Monday. What happened? Well, we were bullish. Didn't really find many entries at the start of market. After 3:30, we did have a little tap of the 5-minute. No huge displacement, but I did put in a trade. I didn't actually trade it. I put in an idea, which did work out, which is cool. A lot of my ideas are working out recently. I've been getting a lot more confidence in the market. I just need to take some more stuff. But there isn't really anything that presented itself. My main focus for the week is to try and incorporate the 5-minute more. From what I've been seeing, the 5-minute has been showing a lot more promising continuations trades. The 1-minute has just been a lot of chop and noise. That's the plan. We're going to try back test that a little bit more as well. Plan for the eval, well, it's still below 50k. I've got until the 11th, which is next week. If I don't get it above 50k, then there's pretty no point in having it. I'll just get a new account, which is a better account. It has no activation fee and is cheaper over time. So that's the plan for that. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys for No, it is Wednesday. I'll see you guys for Wednesday. It's Tuesday. Volume was there. This looks great. Does this not look good? It looks good. There was just 0 entries, like no entries at all. You could have argued I could have just followed the trend. And there were some times where I could have done that. I just wasn't so confident, you know? Especially when you want to follow the trend and something as harsh as this happens. It's not favourable, and there's no huge 5-minute or 15-minute gaps to really gain confidence from. I mean, this 5-minute gap down here got completely ignored. It was all-time highs on ES, so you could make the argument that I should have just followed the trend on ES maybe, or Nasdaq, one of the two, and just rode it out for 1-to-1 with a safe-ish stop. I'm really trying to just find those good setups. There's been so many times where I fail trying to take shit setups. And in my opinion, taking anything that isn't protected properly or hasn't given me the right confidence to enter the trade, I'd be a stupid idiot for entering it. So I'm glad I didn't. But leave it for today. Overall, not a fantastic day because, you know, you hate to see a good volume day go by, but that is how you become profitable. You just got to see the days go by. I'm hoping Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we bring something, just something. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is Wednesday, and well, Wednesday was full of shit, to be honest with ya. I'm going to start with the last thing I did. So here, I just decided to try and trade the trend on ES. I lost only 90 quid. I was just like forward testing, but nothing crazy. Anyway, we'll go back to front. And I saw this trade on ES, which worked out flawlessly, which was really nice. It was following the trend. I didn't actually trade it, but I think that would have worked quite nicely. I'll put that on screen as well. Now, what happened here? We have stacked draws up here. It looks lovely. And pre-market, we're going up. As we open, we go down for the manipulation. I think we created the 5-minute off of that manipulation leg. And then we go back up. And then at 36 past, devastation hits. It's like a tsunami. This candle right here, you'll see on the screen, boom, takes out loads of stop losses. I was personally thinking we hadn't had much manipulation in the first couple minutes. What's going on? We hadn't tapped any gaps or anything. We had a whole 15-minute here. We had a whole 5-minute here. What's going on? And then finally, we jump down, we tap the 5-minute, and we start making our way up. This cooked a lot of people, which is sad to see, because it is a decent idea they had. It just didn't play out. Then here's where this idea comes in. That would have got me break even because I wanted to try and take all of the draws, but only one of them was taken, and it was just sweat. And we just started going back down again, which, as you can see on ES, happened here on Nasdaq as well. That's about it for the day, to be honest with you. My bad luck saved me from my worst luck, and then I kind of lost a bit of money getting bored, which is not good of me. I should probably punish myself in a way for doing so, but yeah, I'm not honestly that fast. Anyway, I'll see you guys for Thursday. Let's hope we can get something out of this week. I want to try and get something. I might just call this eval, call it there, get the new one. I'm considering it. Anyways, see you for Thursday. It's funny, you can actually see the trade play out in the end. Could have made some profits, but never mind. It was probably best to close early in case it reversed on me. But yeah, I'll see you guys for Thursday. How we doing? So today, really good trades today. Not from me though. I hesitated. Let me go through it. ES, you kind of have to ignore. It's very choppy and very kind of crap. On Nasdaq, we're in a daily gap. This is where I'm not confident in. I'm not confident with trading in gaps. I think they're very manipulative. However, I'm starting to get better at understanding them, I think. But there's the 50% line. We tap it and we start shooting up, which is already a good sign that this gap is done. We're respecting it. Then I don't enter. A lot of people entered right here, which is a really good entry, and they would have targeted here and got like over 1.5 RR. They would have made stupid money today. Not me though. Not me though. And then we get a 1 minute gap tap with actually like is a good gap tap as well, with like really good displacement out of it. And I marked up this trade. I could have entered, and it played out. And I was kind of upset that, you know, I'm marking out these trades just like yesterday. I'm marking out these trades, but I'm either not letting them play out or I'm not even playing them. You know, it's annoying. That's my intuition. And then afterwards we have a 5 minute gap tap. I'm not confident in this one. This is not the greatest because we've already taken out the draws, gone higher, which actually worked out flawlessly again. I just didn't trade it. I just didn't want to. That didn't feel right after not trading that one. Anyway, that's that for today, really. That's what I've got to say. I hesitated. It might have been because I've just restarted the account, so I'm at the 50k, and if I lost, I would have been very disheveled. Especially with something I'm not confident in trading. So I'll take today as a good learning curve, because I don't really know how to trade in the gaps. I haven't really understood or learned it. So this is a really good day to learn. But yeah, that's about it for today. I'll see you guys for Friday. Let's hope we can get something. How we doing, guys? Just a quick one because nothing really happened on a Friday. It's a shame. So I didn't catch anything. We had the data low, so that was a pretty good draw. We had a 4 hour gap which we ran through and respected, but overall high time frame was bullish. So the bias was really conflicting, but it was kind of like a gold standard to know that data low was going to get hit eventually. On ES, it got hit quite quickly. On Nasdaq, it took a while till we got there. So longs were off the table, sadly, which was probably the, you know, the hope was to tap the data low and shoot up higher. Didn't get that. So yeah, just consolidated pretty much, and then had to move down, and now we've got to move up. So nothing for that today. I'm going to do a new segment though. Bear with me, I'm going to set it up. So this would be my new section, or segment, I should say, where I just talk about 3 things I've wrote on a post-it note about the week, basically. So, firstly, good intuition on Wednesday. I will say I had very good intuition on Wednesday to avoid the very nasty trade that everyone got caught up in. Restarted the eval, so we're on a new eval technically, so we'll see if we can get that passed this month. If not, then shame. I will really try. I won't hesitate. If I lose the eval, I lose the eval. I have to risk these things, and I'm still sticking to my rules. I've been doing quite well with that. So it's probably 3 weeks in a row where I've been quite good on my rules and stuff. So I'm in a happy position. I think we'll have to see how August goes, really. But yeah. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next week.